The bird dog exercise strengthens the core, glutes, and lower back, improving stability, balance, and running form. Begin with all fours in a tabletop position, with your wrist aligned under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Keep your back flat and your core engaged. Slowly extend your right arm straight out in front of you while simultaneously extending your left leg straight back. Your body should form a straight line from your hand to your foot. Hold this position for a few seconds, maintaining a neutral spine and keeping your hips level. Slowly bring your arm and leg back to the starting position. Repeat the movement on the other side. Do 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions.